teams will deny me. This man.
The wo papa ye hinza, wo papa want to ye. Wo papa tum abobo anyemfo binum wezi na achrew. Da brepado na bugu enim ase. Papa na lepo onyin tete. So wo papa tum abo Elmina, chief of Elmina, is na achrew. Wo papa.
Mame Mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so. Wo frame adwoa searching. Impempi no eya na Ghana omo kan omo se Votarians omo ye hu pa esen other tribes no. Mumu nim infantifo. Infantifo mumu ye hu class Votarians no. Infantifo no mo ka pure fantasy no. Fantasy no. See ye na infanti ye na ye me fi Central Region. But Central Region for ye wo pure omo ye fantifo ankasa. Nye Cape Coast fo ni mpo a ye komo omo ye fantifo pa omo efri ye friend say gomuafo no no mo ye fantifo pa abema ba befa eye adwuma ko asiam honom no omso mo ye fantifo pa na Kelvin Taylor incredible be free Central Region infantifo ni bi eho no omo eche se waso wafofo infanfo musuo Kelvin Taylor abegina ho e ba be di infantifo na tem e be expose yo mo Kelvin Taylor eche se brother na do wo so no infantini bi e be catch ne papa say on this only offense Kelvin Taylor wo TV so say mo ka me hu team ho ne ko infantifo ni bi am na reply say papa hu afato be bia wote no and trespassing ba Central Region how is that the before ni so no pe yentin se mo de etudwa
The Elmina Henena or sorry oni fie dem or sorry na other hotel or hina or two hotel papa we this enyan ebasa hen oni yere or hina oni yere. This is the man who was championing the idea that my father now the Central Region House of Chiefs catch any inkofobia gang say omo pressurizing me papa time me kufu ado power say me papa mra teams will deny me. This man.
The wo papa ye hinza, wo papa want to ye. Wo papa tum abobo anyemfo binum wezi na achrew. Da brepado na bugu enim ase. Papa na lepo onyin tete. So wo papa tum abo Elmina, chief of Elmina, is na achrew. Wo papa na adwene tibi. So wo papa yo hin nkotenza ofatele wotu na azedo. Edwene abasa onyin no oteda wo papa akonkona na. Edwene oteda wo papa don twe na on pupu do na. Nsa abosom awejet na onnom na nnomi akanda ne yefuna adowa na oda no hona bias wo ka ne stie na men sesi anewa I dare you there obi oba boss so wodo there's a Central Region anyemfo wonanim yembebefom all in the name of politics biala ofo karo na lutu ne karo asase ntininam obi biara otem fante yan asase yuda obofo awodo the ka politics do na be hye yan nanan mahorban Jamimpan abribiala ninenjan betia asase do nsubo gunodo asase fua zinidam sikambre ni fie na wufie wenyu bohu sika na asomdwe de obejo wobebre se bebe wodon na mo afamfo wa na ozebeba mfantefo ahemfoda yenmu binuma ya abo amembre toma yenu bi senyua o san wo party ni zeche nti party fo ne baba fantefo yente dem ye more dem kono na mwa na adwende ote dem ana obeben dem no ono na ni fie wo nonum gya wo na chirigya abribiara wo bosu gya no wusu wo pei rimbom na brade fa onfa eyew asetwel aseyerew osum abebrese ombre de fie wo fam opia meza
nyansa na oni bi atimdide na ne de keke ana face with the gold board for Bank of Ghana for the abeto say omo aboka no oyi nkrofo attention free ho won say won tell am forecast asem no ono ne de o kan say am forecast de sami gemfi ayi a omo aboka awo man mu na omo de abetu dwa say kase na omo na abo oh gold board no ana order nkrofo attention free ho eno ka ho na oyɛ san kwasa ade no gold board na sami gemfi down no ama boka suso no on person bi abeka sami gemfi asem
Inti o pesa o say Kelvin Taylor or divert attention.
yes sa weapon o ya de no
Inti no say former president for one year she Ghana.
Africa aswa ekọ Cape Coast ekọ nyamransa kofa na ekwani na eye free maternity a opemfo ebe wo kwa yanyi ska kofa na de bai nyume bebre eye Kofi Annan we sa edana we si kakrake kufo na esi ye
say government school
yes
ono be no free
ono free yes kufo na ni na etu ka won just edam bi na de wo otum wo da no nkrofo attention afi bebi fro God board no maboka bang organ for the way to just say na e ka ba no o se nkrofo adwene no enti kemitela no wa seda na enu kwa so didi peni atemsa enya de sa wo yes I won no me na e ma ho so Bible say diweja enu nani mampenda da kofo na oye ne sa no onim nti kemitela why you tumfo why na nado why you bia organ ha ohun ohweda ben wibi o de afi be ko na wie no cabinet wagine no so o krum ha cabinet ntumi nka twindwe na asasem no pani a obedi o maso be ye no o papa wedi o maso da abrabo ka we abo no o papa bobi da o cabinet o papa mo brada o sori o ke kan kwa asem sa kire Ghana mpanifo na won nam we fan say America o bra Ghana ha
because obibia o man of God em present kwada ko school a ye pesika de aboa free SHS satama ne bia free SHS e mo ye dene ne ye pesika de abo kwada no ba ebra no ye fe mesi aso da ma wonna onya igbemi enunti MPP e obone. And look at the way you are exposing yourself. Look at it. Enti omuka na aso de ache and afa ni je ba ho and so what? And then can we see in class and opija ni ti and so what? Now I emponko po return of free. Ponko and wo nya obi aso di mo se no ma o mtakra se anom tubom. Enti mana bondi. Say Jimmy ya wo Jimmy ni analysis in nan. Then can Williams say bondi. Someone am say. And me say me mpini wo ma wo da awurade nti. Ya me so wo de wani kwa awurade ema ne mparo. Awurade ma wo kwatenten. Me pese wo hu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to be a president of Ghana. And afterwards I'll come to your church. And I will show you the powers. See, me ma ukwan, me bon pa ise wale ma won transi. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nye president. Na fo wani hu. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na ni mo nyam. And I will come to your church afterwards. You die. Let me tell you. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be a president of Ghana. But a more of the I'm telling you, I swear, you will see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a president. But only did be that, and I never go. Yes, I promise and I prophesy, because you're full of evil. You are not man of God. You are not man of God. You don't know anything about God. I know God more than you. You are empty.
I recall that the Archbishop spoke to me and said, that man of God, forgive me for my sake. Just forgive them for my sake. Forgive them for my sake. And I told him, for your sake, I have forgiven them. Then I saw that all of them became happy. I am just one man. And it's true. Now, when I tell you that there are some spiritual men in this nation that are at the helm of affairs, they control things in the spirit concerning the nation. You will not believe me.
Enti ahonhomnes ewiase babien oman bien ho ahonhom nim enti ahonhom na ewo kuro mu na bokuro ho ban ene na se eoperate kuro no wo ka ho bi ho ahonhom na wo oman kronkron Ghana mu wo kwasi wusu wo sa ewo bi ho Who presume keke said the bear among your share? You are praising them. You know, say you are empty. So if you challenge them, they will deal with you. So you're just praising them. I don't think I can add a example. If you think you are powerful, you know about my Ghana my own. Me say, what do you mean? Na kwesi usu. Eti uma metiase. Uma metiase. Ana ntu ma metimi hwe na wagina so okay sisi kenti ma me fo nkasa. To aso.
Now also the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
You desire to be president of Ghana. That there are some spiritual men in this nation that are at the helm of affairs. They control things in the spirit concerning the nation. You
president. Now also the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
You desire to be president of Ghana.
Everybody. Kasa. Opeso ye president. Now I saw it here, Archbishop Duncan Williams. Obewe. Mebacho oba chaso usu so opeso ye MP. Oba chaso usu. Na opeso ye MP. Just MP. I didn't know if I'm Duncan Williams. Usu mpa. Oba chaso usu no ope MP. And when you're MP nanka you benefit. Why don't you take Chaso Usu to Duncan Williams to bless him? Why? Obau, Wankasa, Udoba, Epe, MPD. Said Duncan Williams is so powerful to the state that me see him to him. Na o my Ghana, Obibio by President Bian. I just a funny in Semudia. Why say one for Chaso Usu and Commander Duncan Williams to bless him to be MP? Ana Duncan Williams ono ane ya fumu ba totoro mu twa ne kotia no ba ama na nkoye MP nenyum koto ye nhwe ne ba no to nyum a obekọ no afi ne tunu mu se de ye bon dogi no be ma otimi fi ne tunu no tafre oba ha mu te se jimi fo wi ono